So welcome everyone, and good evening to this. Good evening and welcome to this interactive session on the ongoing program on revitalizing lifestyle through yoga practice. This 2-week refresher course and also workshop, which is open to all, has been organized by the Teaching Learning Center and Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences of Ramanujan College under the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching of Ministry of Education. So today's session on immunity and obesity, it will be conducted by Ms. Himani Agarwal and Mr. Shubhankar Mathur, nutrition advisors and health coaches, who are, I'm told, and I know, who are very passionately working towards the social cause of awareing people around the issues of health lifestyle. Himani Agarwal, just a very brief introduction about them. Himani Agarwal is working as a senior consultant in the Financial Service Risk Management team in Ernst & Young. She has completed her bachelor's in economics from Jesus and Mary College, University of Delhi, and master's in applied economics from Jawaharlal Nehru University. Mr. Shubhankar Mathur is working in cybersecurity with MECF. He has a BTech degree in computer science from Thapa University, Patiala. Both of them are associated with Swasthya, a community of health and fitness enthusiasts who are driven by and for the cause of obesity-free nation. As a community, Swasthya has enabled people to rediscover their healthier version by embracing holistic lifestyle changes and propagating preventive measures. They're a team of 350 plus experts helping people globally, including in US, Canada, UK, and Australia. And today we have the privilege and honor of having both of them, these two enthusiasts and fitness experts with us. And we welcome you once again, Ms. Agarwal and Mr. Mathur, on behalf of the organizing team and Teaching Learning Center. And before I hand over the session to you, I request the participants to, if they have any queries, if they have any questions, they can ask those questions through the chat box at the end of the session. And we will be taking up the questions after the talk. So I invite you both to please, start the session.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shipra ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. Let me just share my screen. Hi, so this is Himani Agarwal with my teammate Shubhankar Mathur. We are working along with a bigger team of ours working towards a cause of obesity-free nation. The community is called Swasthya, and today we'll be talking about healthy living, all about how we can overcome our lifestyle issues and lead a healthy life. Okay, so we as a community, we are working towards this cause, and as Shipra ma'am already told, that we are working globally to help people become their healthier version. And this shows our journey so far. We have impacted more than 30,000 plus families in about last 2 years now. We are working in 7+ countries, and we have helped multiple people lose weight. We have reduced 150,000 plus kgs of weight from the face of this earth, if I can say. So yeah, this has been our impact so far, and we are looking forward to do this more passionately in the coming future. Coming on to the main topic, why obesity, right? This is a very common issue. This is COVID तो एक pandemic चल ही रहा है, उसके साथ साथ I think obesity एक और pandemic चल रहा है, which all of us don't focus on, right? हम सबका बहुत चलता है attitude होता है ना कि हम खाते पीते घर के हैं, ये तो छोटी मोटी बात है, but actually this is not true. We actually have to start focusing on having a healthy diet so that we can overcome this pandemic जो चल रहा है, but वो बस दिख नहीं रहा है हमें, right? If we go on to the statistics, 73% of urban Indians are overweight. That means 3 out of every 4 people are obese right now. And what's the age group that is maximum at risk right now is 28 to 38 years. And why this is true, right? Because an average person goes from being healthy at 26 years of age to obese at 38 years. ये क्यों होता है? Because 26 से पहले मुझे लगता है कि हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत अच्छा होता है, हम बहुत एक्टिव होते हैं, तो हमें वो दिखता नहीं है, एंड वी आर इन ग्रोइंग एज, हमारी हाइट बढ़ रही होती है, हॉर्मोन्स आर कमिंग इनटू बैलेंस. सो what happens when we overcome 26 years of age and reaching in our 30s, right? Our activity levels drop, we have multiple hormonal changes going on, and that's when, if we don't focus on having a healthy lifestyle, that's when we start gaining weight. Right? And if I have to talk about what's the healthy BMI, so if you have a BMI of less than 25, that's a healthy BMI to have. If you are anywhere above 25, that's obesity. That's been defined by the BMI guidelines by Indian Health Ministry. So you can go on any website, just check your BMI. You just have to put your height and your weight, and it will show you what range you fall on. Moving on to what obesity is leading to, right? In detail, मतलब कि obesity तो एक है, ठीक है, हम overweight हैं, but उससे हमें क्या impact हो रहा है, हमारी body कैसे affect हो रही है? The issue is that obesity in itself is leading to a lot of other lifestyle issues like diabetes, type 2 diabetes especially, fatty liver, thyroid, PCOD and PCOS, very common issue in females these days. So comorbidity, हमने ये word बहुत सुना होगा, I'm sure, COVID में news channels पे और newspapers में, that there is greater risk of hospitalization if you have comorbid conditions, if you have underlying health conditions. So what is comorbidity? Comorbidity is presence of one or more additional conditions which often co-occur with a primary condition. So basically, if you are obese or if you have an underlying health condition, अगर वो किसी भी चीज से start हो सकता है, right? Body can start showing impact, maybe diabetes से start हो सकता है, then it can lead to obesity. So one or more of these conditions happening together is comorbidity. And हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने जब कोविड वैक्सीन रोल आउट किए थे, you will remember that the first priority was given to people who had comorbid conditions. So there are some reasons behind it, right? आज जब मैं गूगल पे कोमॉर्बिडिटी की डेफिनेशन ढूंढ रही थी, तो दिस वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो इफ यू कैन सी ऑन माय स्क्रीन, when I wrote comorbidities, the first suggestion that Google gave me was comorbidities of obesity. So you realize how big this is, because obesity is actually leading us to other underlying health conditions. And we as a community are very proud, and we have helped reverse these lifestyle issues for people where they have overcome these issues and they are leading a healthy lifestyle now. Okay, so this graph basically shows us the relationship between BMI and COVID-19. जब हम इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हैं, तो COVID-19 was a very influential topic. There was a study, Lancet study, which drew a graph based on data where they showed that how your COVID-19 death rate increases with increasing BMI. So if you see here on the x-axis, when your BMI starts increasing after 25, the graph takes a slanting curve, and which means that your COVID-19 death rate starts rising exponentially if your BMI is not healthy. Coming on to another important thing that happened amid COVID was hospitalization, right? We saw, so this graph basically shows that, so on the left, we see hospitalization is the blue one, ICU admission is the yellow one, and the red one shows the death rate. So we see what is the difference for this data for people with underlying health conditions and with no underlying health conditions, right? So do you see the stark difference that we can see here based on अगर किसी को कुछ underlying health conditions है like obesity, diabetes or any fatty liver, their rate of hospitalization, ICU admission and death rate all are on a very higher, the outcome will be really high there. And this is tried and tested. ये हम COVID हम face कर चुके हैं, so ये कोई made up data नहीं है. This was the reality that we faced. Coming on to each of these lifestyle issues in detail, just to give you an overview of what happens and how you can identify and how we can work on them to have a long-term healthy lifestyle, right? Thyroid, सबसे पहले because I think a lot of women face thyroid, not excluding men here, but I have the people I talk to, I see a lot of women facing this issue. तो थायराइड, हमें बस लगता है कि अगर थायराइड हो गया तो वो थायराइड की मेडिसिन जो डॉक्टर देता है वो ले लो एंड देन हमारा वेट गेन ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. द थायराइड इज स्टिल इन इम्बैलेंस, राइट? थायराइड ग्लैंड जो होता है हमारे नेक में, उसमें अगर इम्बैलेंस हो जाए उसके हार्मोन में, थायराइड हार्मोन में, दैट्स व्हेन आवर बॉडी कैन नॉट टेक इट, एंड वो दो चीजों में रिजल्ट कर सकता है. या तो हाइपोथायराइडिज्म जिसमें वेट गेन होता है, या फिर हाइपरथायरॉयडिज्म जिसमें वेट लॉस होता है. सो यू वुड हैव सीन बोथ काइंड्स ऑफ सिचुएशन. एंड हाउ इज इट रिलेटेड टू ओबेसिटी, राइट? जब हमारा थायराइड ग्लैंड इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, इट एक्चुअली अफेक्ट्स द मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ आवर बॉडी. व्हाट इज मेटाबॉलिज्म? कि हमारा बॉडी कितना फैट बर्न करेगा या फिर एनर्जी रिलीज करेगा फ्रॉम द फूड वी ईट. तो अगर हमारा थायराइड ठीक नहीं है तो हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म ठीक नहीं है, तो हमारी बॉडी fat deposit karegi because it's not able to burn it into energy, right? That's why a lot of people who have thyroid, they see a lot of weight gain. And doctors क्या करते हैं? They तो just do reactive healthcare, right? वो तो एक medicine दे देंगे to keep your thyroid gland in check, and it is not fixing the root cause. And what we focus is on basically helping people change their diet and lifestyle based on what their underlying condition is. And in the long term, if we do not focus on improving our thyroid or reversing our thyroid, is we can see a lot of changes in our body. We'll keep gaining weight, constipation, infertility, hair loss. These are some basic signals that our body starts giving. Coming on to the next one, PCOD or PCOS, again, very common issue. 1 in every 5 women in India today has PCOD. I'm sure you have heard one or more of your loved ones who are facing PCOD, especially females. Females only have it. Now, what exactly is PCOD, right? It's a polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic means many cysts in ovary. So what happens is in our ovary, there are cysts form ho jate hain, jisse our eggs cannot release. Which means that iska impact ye hai ki we do not have regular periods, and there can be other symptoms as well, like excessive hair fall, facial hair. Weight gain is a very common issue that PCOD females witness, acne or oily skin. So again, yahan pe bhi hormones ka game hai. Our hormones are not in check. What happens in PCOD is the level of male hormones increases a lot. अब मेल हार्मोन्स कैसे इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं फीमेल बॉडी में, राइट? सो ऑल मेन एंड वुमेन हैव बोथ मेल हार्मोन्स आल्सो एंड फीमेल हार्मोन्स आल्सो. हम दोनों में वो होते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट हमारा डोमिनेंट क्या होता है, दैट डिटरमाइंस आवर जेंडर, राइट? सो फॉर फीमेल्स, व्हेन द मेल हार्मोन्स, एंड्रोजन हार्मोन बोलते हैं उसको, अगर मेल हार्मोन्स बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं, दैट लीड्स टू PCOD. एंड अलोंग विद दिस, an imbalance in insulin levels also leads to PCOD. So again, doctor क्या करेगा इसमें? Doctor will give you a hormonal pill to balance your male hormones, and it might fix your PCOD symptoms for some time. You might get your regular periods for some time, but then again, it's not fixing the root cause. Root cause कैसे fix होगा? Through diet and lifestyle changes, through diet and healthy lifestyle. And long term में, the main impact that I see for PCOD is infertility. It's a really big issue because it directly impacts the reproductive system of a female. I will hand over to my teammate Shubhankar now. He'll take you forward on other lifestyle issues and talk more about immunity being related to obesity. Over to you, Shubhankar.
Thank you, Imani. Okay, guys, so let's talk about this particular problem, which is called fatty liver. Okay, so the name itself suggests that your liver is fatty. What exactly do you mean by liver being fatty? It's just that your liver has a lot of fat on it or around it. As you can see in the image, what usually happens is that we have a healthy liver. Apna liver jo hai, it's pretty healthy when you are born. Okay, it's not. You can't really say it's always healthy, but it is healthy when you are born. And as you're growing up, the kind of things that we do, the kind of lifestyle that we have, the kind of habits which we have, food that we eat, ठीक है, that can lead to fat being stored on your liver. ठीक है, so when you're coming from a healthy liver, you can go to a condition where it's a fatty liver. ठीक है, it doesn't have to be alcoholic. What most people have this perception ki if you drink alcohol only then you will have a fatty liver, but ये actually true नहीं है, because even when you're eating things which are having that बहुत ज्यादा फ्राइड फूड जो होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली फूड जो होता है, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट कंटेंट है, बहुत शुगर कंटेंट है, ठीक है, वो सब भी आपके लिवर पे उतना ही डैमेज करता है जितना अल्कोहल कर सकती है. ठीक है, एंड इसकी वजह से बेसिकली हाउ इज इट रिलेटेड टू ओबेसिटी इज दैट यू गेन अ लॉट ऑफ फैट इन योर बेली एरिया. ठीक है, इसकी वजह से यू गेट अ राउंड बेली. इसको तोन बोलते हैं, जिसको बियर बेली बोलते हैं, पॉट बेली बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ये बहुत सारे नाम है इसके लिवर, द कंडीशन ऑफ हैविंग अ फैटी लिवर. एंड अल्टीमेटली अगर हम इसको कंट्रोल नहीं करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ गुड लाइफस्टाइल चेंज, तो इट कैन एक्चुअली बिकम इरिवर्सिबल, जहां पर हम सिरोसिस वाली कंडीशन पर आ जाएंगे, जहां पर इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली समथिंग दैट यू कैन हील. और होता क्या है, व्हाई लिवर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट is because it performs 500 functions in the body. Okay, I'll repeat that. It performs 500 functions. 500 functions perform कर रहा है liver आपकी body में. इसका मतलब है कि अगर आपकी body में कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, तो it is a very good chance कि ultimately it is all linked back to liver. ठीक है, so that is why it becomes all the more critical for us to take good care of liver, because it is also responsible for fat burning. ठीक है, when you gain excess weight, ठीक है, जितने भी आपके fat burning effect होता है body में, it all comes from the liver, right? Moving on, I think that's the next kind of like I would say issue that we're going to talk about is in this case would be the type 2 diabetes. ठीक है, so डायबिटीज आई एम श्योर हम लोगों ने कहीं ना कहीं सुना होगा कुछ ना कुछ, किसी ना किसी सेंस में, कि व्हेन यू हैव हाई ब्लड शुगर्स. ठीक है, तो यूजुअली होता क्या है, यू कैन क्लासिफाई डायबिटीज इन 2 सेक्शंस. वन इज योर टाइप 1 एंड द अदर वन इज योर टाइप 2. ठीक है, सो आई जस्ट ट्राई टू वॉक यू थ्रू दिस डायग्राम व्हिच इज देयर. व्हाट हैपेंस इज इन आवर सेल्स देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड इंसुलिन. इंसुलिन इज लाइक अ हार्मोन जो कि आपका शुगर लेवल्स को कंट्रोल करता है. ठीक है, on the left hand side you see that there is the pancreas that release insulin. ठीक है, and on the right hand side you see the cell. तो insulin is like a key. ठीक है, अगर आपका सेल एक रूम है तो insulin is like a key, जिससे कि आपका सेल खुलता है और देन उसके आसपास जो ग्लूकोज है, जो विटामिन्स है, जो मिनरल्स हैं, वो सब एब्जॉर्ब होता है. राइट, अब टाइप 1 कंडीशन में क्या होता है कि आपका पैंक्रियास दे आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इंसुलिन एनी मोर. तो आप जितना भी कोशिश कर लो, बट आपके सेल्स विल नॉट बी एबल टू एब्जॉर्ब द ग्लूकोज, क्योंकि आपका इंसुलिन ही प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रहा है इन दैट केस. राइट, एंड द सेकंड केस जो कि, एंड इस कंडीशन में देयर इज नो रिवर्सल. ठीक है, यू हैव टू, यू आर फोर्स्ड टू टेक इंजेक्शंस. तो आपने देखा होगा, आई एम श्योर समवन इन योर मे बी फैमिली सर्कल या दूर का कोई मतलब रिलेटिव होगा who is actually forced to take injections because unka pancreas is not able to produce insulin anymore. Right, this is the irreversible condition. But the second scenario what we're talking about is the type 2 diabetes that is actually something that can be reversed. ठीक है, तो इस केस में क्या होता है कि आपका इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, pancreas are able to make insulin. ठीक है, but your cells are not able to respond to insulin properly. It's like this कि अगर आपके, मान लीजिए अगर आपके घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है, तो आपने दरवाजा खोला. ठीक है, आपने एक बार खोला, एक गेस्ट आया, फिर एक और गेस्ट आया, फिर आपने फिर से खोला दरवाजा, तीसरा गेस्ट आया, फिर आपने फिर से खोला. अब एक टाइम के बाद तो आप भी परेशान हो जाओगे, राइट, कि मतलब कितने लोग आएंगे, बस करो, बहुत हो गया. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द कंडीशन जो आपका सेल्स फेस कर रहा है, बिकॉज इतना ज्यादा इंसुलिन आ रहा है बार बार. ठीक है, इट डज नॉट वांट टू ओपन अप द डोर एनी मोर. तो उसने क्या किया, उसने अपना लॉक ही चेंज कर लिया. ठीक है, अब वो आपके इंसुलिन को, जो चाबी आप लगा रहे हो या दरवाजा आप खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तो वो खुलेगा ही नहीं. इसलिए आपके सेल्स के आसपास बहुत ज्यादा इंसुलिन रहता है. ठीक है, एंड इससे एक कंडीशन क्रिएट होती है इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, कि आपके सेल्स रेजिस्ट कर रहे हैं इंसुलिन को बेसिकली एब्जॉर्ब होने में. ठीक है, एंड इसकी वजह से यू कैन एक्चुअली गेन वेट इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, नॉट जस्ट अ स्पेसिफिक पार्ट. किसी भी पार्ट में आपका वेट गेन हो सकता है. इट कैन बी क्लब्ड विद अदर कंडीशंस, लाइक हिमानी आल्सो मेंशन्ड कि it can come with the thyroid, it can come with the PCOS, it can come with the fatty liver also. तो ऐसे नहीं कि this just exists alone, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं, ठीक है. Now we talk about the long term health benefit. अब जिसको शुगर की प्रॉब्लम है तो वो मीठा तो खा नहीं सकते हैं, राइट. बट इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है इसका, राइट. So this was like a brief about type 2 diabetes. That's something which is reversible, ठीक है, इसको हम रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. तो moving on, I think we'll basically talk about what is immunity, ठीक है. This is something which we have heard over this period of pandemic. बहुत ज़्यादा सुना है immunity this, immunity that. But I will just try to break it down into simpler terms कि what is immunity और हम उसका कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या. तो broadly speaking, immunity is just your body's ability to resist any foreign substance that it's trying to come into your body, ठीक है. कुछ भी बाहर की चीज फॉरेन सब्सटेंस अगर आपकी बॉडी में आना चाह रहा है तो आपकी बॉडी का जो रिएक्शन होता है तो जस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट इटसेल्फ, ठीक है, कोई भी बाहर का जर्म्स है, केमिकल्स है, just to keep us healthy, to keep us safe. That is basically what immunity is. Your body's response, your body's ability, ठीक है. We have 3 kinds of immunity, okay. First kind of immunity talks about innate immunity. This is something that we are born with, ठीक है. इसका हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं because it can't be really changed, ठीक है. Second is about the adaptive immunity, ठीक है. इसका मतलब यही है कि when you talk about adaptive immunity, this is something that we develop, that's something that gets created over a period of time, ठीक है. This is something that is worth exploring क्योंकि this is all we can actually build upon, ठीक है. When people say कि immunity boost करनी है या फिर immunity shot लेना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. You have to basically build your immunity, ठीक है. It takes time, it takes effort. You have to follow a healthy lifestyle. Then you can start to improve the adaptive immunity. That's the only thing that can be improved, ठीक है. Passive immunity होती है that is actually borrowed from some other source. जैसे when you talk about a newborn baby, ठीक है, तो उस baby के लिए it will be a passive immunity because it's consuming its mother's milk. So that basically gives the baby for a short period of time some amount of immunity for the diseases that the mother has the protection for, ठीक है. But again, it's not really applicable in all scenarios. All we want to focus on is how we can improve the adaptive immunity. Moving on. So एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है and I think something that you might have heard maybe in the past या कहीं ना कहीं से आपने कुछ सुना होगा कि चाणक्य जो थे he was the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. So he used to serve him and used to advise him on a lot of things when he used to go to wars, ठीक है, जब भी वो बाहर फाइट करने जाते थे, ठीक है. तो उनके दिमाग में क्या एक स्ट्रैटेजी आई कि क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि बिकॉज ही इज द किंग, ठीक है, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य इज द किंग, तो उनको बहुत सारे तरीके से लोग मारने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. तो व्हाट ही सॉर्ट ऑफ थॉट एंड व्हाट ही सॉर्ट ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेड, नॉट जस्ट थॉट, ही इम्प्लीमेंटेड दिस, इज दैट ही स्टार्टेड टू गिव हिम थोड़ा थोड़ा पॉइजन, ठीक है, इन हिज फूड, so that his body will get used to it, okay. And the whole idea of this was कि अगर वो रोज पॉइजन खा रहे हैं, इतना खा रहे हैं कि उनकी बॉडी को कुछ होगा नहीं, बट इतना खा रहे हैं कि उनकी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड हो जाएगी, ठीक है. एंड लाइक आई सेड, इट टेक्स टाइम टू बिल्ड दैट लेवल ऑफ इम्यूनिटी. So that was the only purpose of Chanakya to actually do this activity, ताकि इससे the emperor is he can be prevented from being poisoned by his enemies. जो उनके दुश्मन है उनसे वो सेफ रहे, ठीक है. This is a very practical example from our Hindu mythology, and this is something that has actually been practiced for a long time. So now the question is कि why is my immunity low? It's a very important, very critical question to understand कि actually में ऐसा क्यों है कि why some people got affected by COVID while some people didn't really get affected, or even if they did get affected, उनका इतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं था उनकी बॉडी के लिए, ठीक है. So there are few signs which we have to look at, ठीक है. First thing is कि if you catch cold very easily, right, then it's a good sign that your immunity is low. If you have some kind of digestive issues, if you have some kind of wounds, अगर आपको चोट लगती है तो it takes time to actually heal it. Sorry. If you feel lazy throughout the day, tired, थकान अगर आपको बहुत होती है, it's a good sign, ठीक है. If you're not able to maintain your weight in a normal healthy BMI range that Himani discussed, ठीक है, तो it's a good kind of indication कि आपकी body की immunity is not very strong, And अगर आपको सोने में दिक्कत होती है, if you're not able to get a continuous amount of good amount of sleep, and your stress levels are always high, ठीक है. It could be, see, like if you're talking about the students and teachers who are present here, so for some people, like when you talk about being young, your immunity is actually pretty strong for most of us, right? Because we haven't been exposed to those kind of conditions. हमारी all the stress which we have इसकी भाई कल एग्जाम है और आज पढ़ाई शुरू करनी है, ठीक है. That's the only stress which students have. But when you talk about growing up, when you grow old, so all the other things that happen with you, life happens, and all the other challenges which comes in, stress levels are always high, ठीक है. And sleep problems can arise, जिसकी वजह से immunity starts to drop, right? So that is something that we need to look at कि ये सारे symptoms अगर हैं, तो we need to be sure कि we are working towards improving the immunity. Moving on, so we'll talk about basically कि ऐसा क्यों हो सकता है, why would you have low immunity, right? There can be multiple factors, but I think these 4-5 factors are the most important, most critical ones. First thing is that your poor diet. If you're not eating the right kind of things what your body requires, and if you're just eating junk food all the time, तो obviously हम ये expect नहीं कर सकते कि हमारी body will be very healthy, right? That makes a lot of sense. The other thing is, there's no physical activity, ठीक है. अब आजकल जब से हम वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, जब से it's all gone online, classes are online, तो इतना ज्यादा physical movement भी नहीं हो रही है, and that is one of the factors that has contributed to people suffering from COVID, and उतना impact हुआ है because these two things have sort of gone haywire, इधर उधर हो गई हैं because physical activity नहीं है. Third thing is stress. Again, it's linked to your sleep, it's linked to your stress inside the body, ki how is your body reacting to stress. Sleep, again, it has that correlation with stress. And finally, it's the vitamin deficiencies. If the basic vitamins and minerals are missing from your body, then definitely your body is more, like I would say, it's at risk. The virus can come in and it can attack you. Not just the COVID, but it could be any virus, right? So moving on, अब ठीक है, हमें थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया ले लेगी क्या इम्यूनिटी क्या होता है, but what can we do about it, right? First and the foremost thing is improve your nutrition, ठीक है. Get a more healthy diet, get a more balanced diet. You're including different kind of factors, talk about protein, fats, carbohydrates, healthy things that we're adding to our diet that will actually help us to solve this problem of lack of nutrition, ठीक है. You talk about comorbidities, like Himani also explained that there are things that basically can lead to having comorbidities. जैसे एक की dependency दूसरे पे है, तो इसकी वजह से immunity can actually get affected, right? And then you talk about manage stress. Simple things, talk about walking, talk about even head massage, yoga, meditation. Simple things that you can do to manage your stress levels, ठीक है. Ultimately, it all comes down to long-term healthy habits. कि हम एक दिन में इम्यून नहीं हो सकते, right? We have to build that. तो हमें हैबिट्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए, नॉट जस्ट अबाउट कि डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, एक दिन डाइट करी अगले दिन छोड़ दी जैसे नॉर्मली लोग करते हैं, ठीक है, कि आज चलो चीट डे हो गया तो उसको चीट वीक बना दिया, ठीक है. बट इफ यू हैव टू बी हेल्दी, यू हैव टू बिल्ड हैबिट्स. देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू इट, ठीक है. That's pretty much what it is. The importance of nutrition is obviously that's something that we need to take a look at, because we need to have a balanced kind of a diet, ठीक है. Macro nutrients क्या होते हैं कि we talk about protein, fats and carbohydrates, ठीक है. ये तीन चीजों पे हमें फोकस करना है, ठीक है. And few steps or few actionable things which we can do. जैसे we can add fiber to each meal. थोड़ा बहुत fiber, this comes in the form of fruits and vegetables, ठीक है. We can add some amount of protein, because India में क्या है, what we have seen is people are usually very lacking in protein, and they think that protein is something which is not really healthy for them, but it's actually very critical. Protein is the most important thing that people in India are missing, ठीक है. कार्ब्स तो हम खा ही रहे हैं, मतलब बाहर का खाना खाते हैं, ब्रेड वगैरह खा रहे हैं, व्हीट वगैरह, रोटी वगैरह खा रहे हैं, तो कार्ब्स का सीन सॉर्टेड है. फैट्स we are taking, let's say कि if we are using cooking oils, omega 6 वहां से आ रहा है. कभी कभी लोग हम बादाम वगैरह खा लेते हैं, कभी कभी नट्स वगैरह खा लेते हैं, ठीक है. बट प्रोटीन की requirement is not really being met. So we need to replace our healthy snacks with these simple options: fruits, nuts, seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, that gives you omega 3, and that is a good form of healthy fats. ठीक है. And जो sugar वगैरह हम खाते हैं, जो carbs वगैरह हम खा रहे हैं, refined carbs, it's not just about carbs, it's about refined carbs. bread, pasta, cereal, ये सब चीजें जो हम खा रहे हैं, इनकी consumption हमें कम करनी पड़ेगी, right? Moving on, I think micro जो होते हैं आपके, there are two kinds. जब हमने macros की बात करी, that's protein, fats and carbohydrates. But micronutrients होते हैं, that's something that our body requires in terms of vitamins and minerals. And it requires just for basic functionality, जो हमारे enzymes होते हैं body में, that helps with the food, digestion, hormones जो हमारे body में काम करते हैं, and other things that are useful for our growth and development. तो I'm sure कि इस पीरियड ऑफ पैंडेमिक पे हमने इन सब चीजों के बारे में शायद थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा हो या शायद खुद ही एक्सपीरियंस किया हो. विटामिन सी, लेट्स से कि हमने लाइक लिम्सी वगैरह खाई होगी. आई एम श्योर किसी ना किसी ने कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी लिम्सी खाई होगी. ठीक है. तो व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट वाज जस्ट विटामिन सी. ठीक है. इसका फंक्शन है कि इट्स एंटीऑक्सीडेटिव, इट्स एंटीवायरल, इट हेल्प्स यू टू फीड ऑफ द वायरस. इट कम्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ सिट्रस फ्रूट्स like oranges, pineapples. Okay? All these are the good sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D, again, Indians, and especially since the work from home thing, the work from culture has begun, vitamin D की बहुत बड़ी gap है, like especially because you're not going out जितना पहले जाया करते थे. It's anti-inflammatory. इसका मतलब क्या है? Inflammation का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब आपको कोई चोट लगती है तो बॉडी का रिस्पॉन्स क्या है, उसको कहते हैं इन्फ्लेमेशन. ठीक है. हाउ इज योर इन्फ्लेमेशन एबिलिटी ऑफ द बॉडी? तो इट हेल्प्स यू टू इंप्रूव दैट इन्फ्लेमेशन, ताकि आपकी चोट जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. यू गेट इट इन फॉर्म ऑफ सनलाइट. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक 11 AM से 3 PM तक अगर आप बाहर रहते हैं इन दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, तो यू गेट समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड UVB, व्हिच इज एक्चुअली द यूजफुल फॉर्म ऑफ सनलाइट. दैट इज एक्चुअली समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स यू फॉर विटामिन D. Omega 3, again, it comes in the form of healthy fats, can come in the form of fish. It's also anti-inflammatory. Ashwagandha, I'm sure ये नाम हमने कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी या किसी ना किसी ने हमें बोला होगा, शायद हमारी नानी दादी ने कभी बोला होगा कि बेटा अश्वगंधा इज गुड. ठीक है. बट ऑब्वियसली हमने कभी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया. बट अश्वगंधा,
शुभांकर कल रामदेव आ रहे हैं, तो मतलब आई थिंक रामदेव टॉक्स अबाउट अश्वगंधा अ लॉट.
हाँ, राइट. तो आई एम श्योर कि आप उनके बारे मतलब उनसे भी ये सुनेंगे कि अश्वगंधा कितना क्रिटिकल है. And it's something that is called like adaptogen. इसका मतलब ये है कि it helps your body to adapt to stress. आपकी बॉडी को काम करता है, आपके नर्व सिस्टम को काम करता है, ताकि it also helps you to go to sleep, right? So this is a very good form of herb which is found in India, and ये हर जगह पाया नहीं जाता. So I guess we are lucky in that sense. ठीक है. And I think the next form of things that we're gonna, I think I'll hand over to Himani, where she'll talk about stress and a few other important things as well. Over to you.
Okay. Yeah. So we saw that slide, right? That what can be done to improve our immunity. So these 4 things: in nutrition, improving our nutrition, what Shubhankar talked about, getting rid of comorbidities. Again, I've stressed this enough in the first part of the presentation कि if your body is already unhealthy from inside, अगर उसके already कुछ hormone imbalance है, तो कैसे उसका immunity ठीक रहेगा, कैसे उसका response सही रहेगा to other issues that come up in later. मतलब अगर कुछ flu हो जाता है, cold हो जाता है, तो कैसे body fight करेगी अगर वो already अंदर से unhealthy है, right? So all of these issues. So we have to take active steps to get rid of these comorbidities and lifestyle issues. Then coming on to stress, right? Stress क्या है? मतलब हम avoid नहीं कर सकते stress को, है ना? अगर work busy है, अगर हमारे stressful work hours है, long working hours है, especially students अगर पढ़ाई में या फिर अगर teachers के, तो I am sure कि but the important thing is कि stress हमें कोई देता नहीं है, stress हम लेते हैं. That's the problem. कि हम बस stress लेते हैं कि हाँ बहुत काम है, तो हम उसका ही stress लेके बैठ जाते हैं कि बहुत काम है. So what we can actually do actively for this is ki do what is in your control. There can be multiple factors that cause stress. COVID mein tha that we were afraid of getting ill, we were afraid of losing our loved ones, we were afraid of losing our livelihood. Unhealthy diet can also lead to stress because again your body will not be able to digest it properly, will cause internal stress. right? So this is my funda, that do what is in your control and be prepared, be better prepared to handle this stress in your day. And how can we do that is just simple low intensity exercises and some low intensity activities that you can do one time in your entire day, at least 10 minutes to 1 hour based on what your schedule allows. Slow walking, meditation, wear loose comfortable clothes. This will actually help regulate our cortisol hormone. Cortisol hormone is the stress hormone in our body that gets triggered, right? So we have to manage that. And then again, it helps boost our energy. It just helps us prepare better for our next day and for our coming days, right? Pranayam, yoga, stretching. I'm sure people are learning through this program how they can revitalize their life through yoga practice, right? So I'm sure yoga is very connected to having a stress-free life as well, because it really helps manage your stress. And then coming on to improving your sleep, right? Again, very important stress buster, very important immunity booster, very important just to calm your body and restore your body and prepare you for your next day, right? And what can some basic things that we can do actually to improve our sleep is, again, ashwagandha really helps because it helps calm our body. Then going off your gadgets, just put off your phones, etc., 1 hour before bed. Don't binge watch at night, especially this I've put in especially for students, because I've been there. I know what it is. All of us have been there. Hostel mein ya ghar pe, we have a very bad habit, right? So I think this is something that I have changed in my life, that I just don't watch any. If I have to watch anything, I'll take out time in the day. How difficult is it, right? So these are some things that you can do actively to improve your body recovery and calm your stress hormone. And workout, exercise at home is a no-brainer. मतलब ये तो अब basic चीज हो गई है कि अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो तो at least you have to take out some time, either for your walk or for any kind of workout that you like. Do what you like. Start with what you like. That's the basic thing. And just summarizing all of this and focusing on preventive healthcare, right? इम्यूनिटी, वो 2 हफ्ते जब कोविड हुआ था तो उसमें तो सबने दबा के विटामिन सी खाया, वो गिलोय भी पिया, सब चीज किया, इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर्स खरीदे और करे. बट कोविड अभी भी है, कोविड इज स्टिल आउट देयर. We actually have to prepare ourselves better for such future instances, and COVID is just a piece of cake, because there will be difficult times in the future where where no doctor will help us, and we saw this in COVID. Only our immunity can help us. So we have to work on building this immunity over time so that when the right time comes, it actually helps you. And how you can do this? Again, good habits for lifetime. There are no shortcuts for immunity. You have to work on it day in, day out, every day, and it will help you when the time is there. Okay, so me and Shubhankar just wanted to show where both of us have come from. Both of us were obese, overweight, unhealthy. I don't have the words, but yeah. So this has been our journey. This is how the community has helped both of us get healthy and lead a healthy lifestyle, and also propagate this message further. Shubhankar, do you want to add anything here?
Yeah, like I would just say कि मतलब I was that guy, you know, जो college student होते हैं कि मतलब class नहीं जाना और बस hostel में सोना और खाना पीना और कुछ नहीं करना, no workout, nothing like that. So that is the reason that I got to this weight of 87, okay? And that was around 2 years ago that I lost the weight. And it's not just, I think most of the people, they focus on this aspect कि मतलब हाँ weight loss करना ही सब कुछ है. But like we discussed, there are so many problems. I myself had a problem of fatty liver, okay? So I had a round belly kind of a shape. But losing weight is not the most important thing. I would say it's one part of the thing that you need to, you know, propagate. क्योंकि future में अगर आपको बात करनी है, तो you have to maintain that health. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने weight lose किया और फिर आप वापस चले गए, right? वापस जाने वाला सीन होना ही नहीं चाहिए, right? Even if you are a student, I think this is the right time for you to start building habits, क्योंकि you can avoid the thing that happened to me, the thing that happened to Himani in the first place. ठीक है, कि आपको वहां तक जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You can learn from our experiences, right? So college is the time where things can go right and things can go wrong. That is what I've personally felt and experienced. And I think if we just take small steps, it's not like कि बहुत कुछ करना है हमें, ठीक है? Even if we like walk for 3 kilometers today, ठीक है? मतलब बहुत ज्यादा काम नहीं है, ठीक है? It's very simple. It's just that कि थोड़ा मन मार के भी कर लो, but कर लो, कुछ तो कर लो, ठीक है? That's the kind of thing that you have to build, because ultimately, जैसे हमने कोविड में देखा, like Himani also said, कि doctors are not really able to help you out after a certain point of time. It's your own body's response, it's your own body's health that will actually save you in the future. And pandemic तो चलो अभी भी है नहीं है, we don't really know कि मतलब क्या होगा, wave 3 is coming or not, but ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब this is the only virus that can actually come in, right? So many other things are they could come and we don't even know. That's the problem. We don't even know what we don't even know, right? So that is something that we should sort of start working on it from day one. Why wait till you have become overweight? Why not you start today? Why not you start simple things? It's not even being on a full blown diet या पूरा workout कर रहे हो, 7 दिन gym जा रहे हो. It's not required. That's what. Everything that you want can be done from your home, even from a hostel room, to be very honest. Okay? It's just that you should learn something about it, upgrade your knowledge. Simple things. You should be able to find a circle of friends who are actually into that kind of fitness sort of zone कि मतलब हाँ, उनको भी help कर, उनको भी healthy रहना है तो मैं भी उनके साथ healthy रह सकता हूँ. I think it's the power of association कि sometimes when we have a bad circle of friends की मतलब हम कभी-कभी इधर-उधर वाली चीजें कर लेते हैं, right? But if you're able to find that group of friends who always want to be healthy, who want to prioritize their health, especially in the time of college, so I think that really helps you in the long term. I think that's all I wanted to say, Himani.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this was it from our end. You can contact us. So we have put down our numbers and our Insta handles. You can also use your phone to basically scan this QR code. It will take you to our Instagram profiles. The left one is mine and the right one is Shubhankar. So you can scan it through using your camera. It will take you to our Instagram profile. And you can reach out to any one of us to if you are looking for something, if you're looking for help regarding anything, we can have a chat and we can help you design something that is personalized for you and that can help you lead a healthy, because everyone's body is different. So that's why it's not one size fits all approach. Yeah, so this is it from our end. Over to the hosts.
Thank you so much, both of you. And I request the participants that they can either raise their hands and I'll let them unmute and ask if there are any questions, anything they want to ask, or if they would like to post in the chat box. While Himani and Shubhankar were presenting, there were a few I observed wanted to ask. So the floor is open for discussion and questions. And meanwhile, when participants are asking, I do have a question. There are one or two questions which have been come to me personally. So one of the participants, they would like to know more about, if you're comfortable and you would like to share your journey and what motivated you, because we know that we need to adopt a healthy lifestyle, but how do we do that? Like there are a lot of hurdles which come. So if you would like to shed some light on that.
Sure. I'll give a brief and then maybe Shubhankar. So what motivated me honestly was, there can be different trigger point motivation का. मेरे लिए trigger point था, मेरी बहन की शादी थी. So I had to look good and I had to get that. I had to fit in a lehenga and look nice. So that was my trigger point that I started my health journey. It was just about losing weight at that time. But over time, when I saw some great health benefits while I lost weight, that's when it kept me hooked on to a healthy lifestyle. So it will always be difficult to take that first step, no doubt. But I will say that from my experience, take that first step, find that one trigger point for you. It can be for your family, it can be for yourself. There has to be some trigger point. And then when you find that, just keep that in mind. And along the way, I assure you, when you see great health benefits, it will be no going back from there then. I feel I had much better energy levels. My cravings were reduced. I did not have cravings for sweets, for unhealthy food. And that's what actually keeps us going in the long term. मतलब अगर क्रेविंग होती रहेगी, अगर चीट मील का ही वेट करते रहेंगे, तो इट विल नेवर बी सस्टेनेबल. सो या शुभांकर.
Yeah, so I think for me the trigger point, like Himani also said, was actually so I used to work, like I'm working in Bangalore, right? So I'm not staying at my home, but abhi I'm back in my home because of the pandemic. So right from college I was working in Bangalore, and my lifestyle was, if you know Bangalore, do you know the Bangalore lifestyle? Okay, used to go to party every weekend, faltu ka khana, this and that. So I had gained a lot of unhealthy weight, and then when I came back home, so we went for a family trip. ठीक है. तो वहां पर so there was this rock climbing. I'm sure देखा होगा कि मतलब जो rock climbing होता है, and I wasn't able to do that. So my mom sort of pulled me कोने में लेकर आया and बोले कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तुम्हारी लाइफस्टाइल में क्या है, what exactly. So that was the sort of startling point, I would say, कि मतलब that made me think कि actually मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, right? And I wasn't just looking for weight loss, ठीक है, because I know कि weight loss करना, what most people think is बहुत मुश्किल है, but it can be done in multiple ways, right? You have to think कि चलो इसके अलावा what can you gain when you lose weight. So for me it was about कि हाँ long term result चाहिए, ठीक है. It should be both. I feel you should have short term goals, you should have long term goals. Only then you can be motivated. For me short term goals was चलो ठीक है weight lose करना है, हो जाएगा, ठीक है. And I was able to lose weight. I was able to shed 20 kgs, and I was able to lose cravings. तो cravings अगर चली गई हैं तो फिर चाहे आप महीने में एक बार पिज्जा भी खा रहे हो, ठीक है, you can't really feel guilty about it, ठीक है. What most people do is कि चलो अगर they are on diet, what most of our clients also do is when they are on diet, ठीक है, कभी कभी वो बोलते हैं कि चलो आज हमने पिज्जा खा लिया but we're not feeling happy about it, ठीक है. So if you are cheating, you should cheat properly. Exams में cheating नहीं करनी, but I'm talking about the diet, ठीक है. So if you're cheating on your diet, you should cheat properly without any guilt. That's what I would say. And that is what you want to build. That's the meaning of sustainability. Long-term goals तभी आपके हो सकते हैं when you build solid habits. So for me, the whole inspiration, the whole motivation was कि to build habits, basically. ठीक है, अगर habits बन गई, ठीक है, even if I'm not active throughout the week, अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है, but I know how to get back. It's about getting back. अगर if you go off track, it's always about getting back. So that kind of journey was something that I've been able to go through over the past 1.5 2 years, and we have been able to maintain our weights, and we have been able to still see those kind of health benefits. And that is always something that I would say keeps me on track, and I'm sure that's the same for Himani as well.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of thing that we have seen for ourselves.
So yes, I think that's very important. This is something which I also experience. I can very easily say that I don't live a very healthy lifestyle. So yes, I think it's very important for us to find that trigger point and begin the first step.
Small steps, I think.
Yes.
Starting
Micro
with small
steps
steps.
are very
Yeah.
important. So we have Mahika who is asking, what
Yeah.
can we do? She's a night owl, and I like to study and get the best outcome by studying late at night. But I know it's hampering my sleep and my health. So I think this is, we can put it in the larger framework of, even in work from home, there are a lot of people who are night owls, including myself. So it becomes difficult then, to live a kind of healthy lifestyle, which prefer, us getting, waking up early in the morning and following a routine. So what are your thoughts on it?
Shubhankar.
So I personally would like to answer this question because I have seen both. ठीक है. I am a night owl completely. So I work at late night also, and I work in normal time also. So what I have seen personally is, let's say, I'll give you an example, and this is something that I would try to connect with maybe people who are studying at night. So let's say कि you are doing studies till 2-3 a.m. ठीक है. That's sort of like the normal kind of lifestyle that students have. ठीक है. अब उस टाइम तक if you are waking up, ठीक है, what tends to happen is कि you sort of snack on unhealthy things. ठीक है. That's one thing that almost always happens कि मतलब चलो कुछ इधर उधर का खा लिया, चलो मैगी बना के खा ली, ठीक है, चलो ये खा लिया, चिप्स खा लिया, ये कुछ खा लिया, ठीक है. तो that is something that we should keep a check कि मतलब हम खा क्या रहे हैं, right? Because there is nothing which is called healthy snack. ठीक है. Snacking is not really healthy in any form. ठीक है. If you're having 3 meals in our day, ठीक है, and let's say if you're having some small kind of meals, it counts as a meal. There's nothing which is called a snack. It's a mini meal, you can say. But I think one thing which helps is getting proper amount of sleep. चाहे हम 3 बजे भी सो रहे हैं, चाहे हम 4 बजे भी सो रहे हैं, ठीक है. If we are always, let's say, waking up, we're sleeping at 4 a.m. and we're waking up at 8 a.m. तो सिर्फ 4 घंटे की नींद है. What that does is it affects not just your diet, it affects your, if let's say you are on a diet or if you're working out, it affects your performance mentally and physically. So I would say that sleep is the most critical thing that diet and workout is built upon. It's like the base. Sleep is the base and this is your diet, this is your workout. ठीक है. अगर ये base आपका weak है, तो nothing will last. चाहे आप कितनी भी अच्छी डाइट कर लो, चाहे कितने भी अच्छा वर्कआउट कर लो, nothing will stick forever. It can't be sustainable, right? So even if let's say we are a night owl, चाहे हम रात को पढ़ भी रहे हैं, you're getting the results out of it, it makes perfect sense. But you should focus on getting that amount of sleep in a day. If let's say so you're not able to do it in a stretch because obviously सुबह morning classes होता है and we have to study till late night. So let's say 4 to 5 hours of sleeping window is there. Then you should try to catch up with your sleep always. ऐसा मत सोचो कि मतलब अब और पढ़ना है तो मतलब I can't really take a nap. Take a nap. Just मतलब because if your stress levels are always high, so like we discussed कि मतलब बहुत सारी problems can come out of that itself. So I would personally say कि मतलब best and the most simplest advice is to get your 7 to 9 hours of sleeping cycle complete in a day. चाहे वो एक stretch में ना हो, it can be in multiple stretches, it can be in multiple slots. But personally, I think this is something that I have actually experienced myself, and this is something that helps me. Taking a nap, like we used to do when we were kids, that's perfectly fine. तो ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब we can't really take a nap and it's only for some specific people. हर कोई नैप ले सकता है, हर किसी को नैप लेना चाहिए if they're feeling low on energy, because you will find when you wake up you feel fresh. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि मतलब आप सो के भी उठ रहे हो तब भी आपका सेम स्टेट है. State will change because body needs rest. अगर आप over exert करोगे तो it will burn out. This is something that we have seen over the period of pandemic, not just in working cultures but also in colleges where students are studying for so long and for intense hours that they are actually burning out. So focus should be on sort of relaxation, meditation if we're able to do, walking, simple things that can lower stress. But I think the best thing is to get that quota of sleep. I think Himani can share some insights from your personal experience. But
personally I am a morning person. मेरे को best सुबह पढ़ाई होती है. So if I have to study or if I have to catch up on any of my important work, I generally prefer mornings. मेरी 7 to 9 hours रात में ही sleep होती है. So that's why I handed over this question to Shubhankar because he's the best person. But yeah, I think he covered it pretty much.
Yes. So thank you so much. I would like to request Dr. Shikha Singh
can I ask a question? Yeah. Himani, tell us about the importance of alkaline food in life and how to make the body alkaline.
So basically आप stomach acid की बात कर रहे हो ना?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, this actually leads to a lot of digestive issues and gut health बहुत affect होता है, right? So the one thing that we can actually do for this is have apple cider vinegar. I can send the link. There's an organic apple cider vinegar that you should have first thing in the morning or before your meals. You can have it. Actually helps improve the pH of our stomach. So we do not have anything in our food that helps alkaline matlab jo kare. I think apple cider vinegar is the best. Anything else, Shubhankar?
No, I think like when you talk about the stomach acid, like you said, we need to have high stomach acid. It should be close to like, let's say 1 to 3. That's the scale of pH. Okay? When it goes alkaline, the stomach is not able to basically break down food. Okay? So why do you need acid is basically to break down your food. When your stomach acid is going alkaline, so our goal is to get it back to the acidic level. Okay? So that we can help to basically do its job. Stomach acid ka job is to break down food so that your digestion can happen and the whole process can be smooth. But when it is alkaline, like the most practical thing which we have seen is using apple cider vinegar. I think that's
It
something
really
that
helps.
it really helps. Yeah.
We also have Mr. Nardev Kumar. I think I can
Sure.
unmute you, and if you would like to ask the question, sir. Mr. Kumar? Okay. And is there anyone else? I think there was another person, another participant who wanted to ask. I guess there must be some connectivity problem. So in any case, yeah, you want to say something?
No. Are there any questions on YouTube live? या फिर,
No, these are the
These are
questions.
the
We didn't. We did it in a closed panel. Kind of.
Okay.
Yes. So thank you so much. I guess all the participants have the contact information of Himani and Shubhankar, and I'm very sure if I, as a very person who kind of leads not a very healthy lifestyle to be proud of, but if I can get some insight from your session, if I have been motivated to think in the direction of leading a healthy lifestyle and at least think or revive my ways of how do I spend my time. I'm very sure that the participants, faculty members, and the students who have joined us with us today has been able to benefit from your presentation and from the interaction that you did today. So thank you so much for giving us time on a Sunday and doing this. I'm sure
Thank you.
that your presentation kind of aptly did justice to the theme of this workshop, revitalizing lifestyle. So thank you so much again.
Thank you so much for giving us the platform to talk about this, and I hope we were able to add value and we were able to get some trigger points.
Just at the end, I would just like to say this one thing that's on top of my mind is, people often talk about motivation, right? But ultimately, you can't really have motivation forever, right? You will be motivated. Maybe this is Sunday. Okay, this is a perfect example. आज motivation आएगी कि Monday को कुछ करना है, right? Motivation will fade away. Tuesday तक motivation खत्म, right? तो our goal is not to कि भाई motivation को पकड़ के रखें, ठीक है? Our goal is just to build habits. And for that we have to start somewhere, ठीक है? छोटी-छोटी habits. Even if let's say we start with walking, that will lead to someday we working out on a consistent basis, ठीक है? We don't have to think about कि अच्छा 2 महीने बाद क्या होगा. We have to think about कि आज मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आज मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? And especially I think talking to the young folks who are college students, also who are teachers, I think they are doing the kind of job that is important for not just for themselves but also for the future of the country. So I think they need to be more energetic, ठीक है? So they have to sort of think about कि हाँ छोटी-छोटी चीजें जो हम कर सकते हैं, that can actually help them, not just them, for the whole broader audience that require their assistance, I would say. So I think that was all I wanted to say. I think it was a great session. It was great talking to all of you. And thank you, everyone, for having us.
I think, to sum up, consistency is something which we should look forward to rather than just wishing
Right.
that एक दिन motivation आएगी, हम उठकर सब कर देंगे.
Right.
Yes, I think that sums up your session pretty well. And again, I request everyone to reach out to Himani or Shubhankar on their Insta pages, Insta handles, or through their phone numbers. Himani have posted it. She has shared the screen. So if there's any question you would like to, ask them, you can ask them directly. If you would like to make us the medium of it, we can, forward your queries, your questions to them, and we can ensure to connect you all with these two enthusiasts of healthy lifestyle. So thank you once again on behalf of
Thank
Teaching
you.
Learning Center and the organizing team of this workshop. Thank you once again.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Have a good Sunday. Bye.
Yeah. Have a great Sunday, guys. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Can we announce for tomorrow program